Songbird lemonade. Tweet, tweet. Welcome to Pinkie Pie's baking show. I'm Pinkie Pie, and this is my assistant, Cheese Sandwich.
Hi there.
Today, we're gonna show you how to bake a friendship cake with the bestest ingredients your mouth has ever tasted. First, let's begin with the list of ingredients. You will need a handful of hugs, 3 cups of laughter, a dash of honesty.
Birdie, I think you're beautiful, even with a booger in your nose.
Huh? 2 pounds of trust, a bowl of kindness, a cream filling of a shoulder to cry on, a jar of gratitude frosting. Thank you, Twilight! And a pinch of magic sprinkles.
I have a question. What is the difference between a friendship cake and a friendship pie?
There is no difference. They both taste yummy and end up in your belly.
Oh, ha ha ha! Sounds perfect to me.
Mix all the ingredients together and bake in a warm heart for a lifetime. Top it off with gratitude frosting and magic sprinkles. Then,
And ta-da! The friendship cake is complete and ready to eat.
wait! You forgot the last step.
What's that?
Share your friendship cake with the world.
Yes!
And I saved a special slice just for you, Lemonade. Tweet, 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 tweet. Thanks for watching Pinkie Pie's baking show. I'm Pinkie Pie.
And I'm Cheese Sandwich.
Stay tuned for the next show when we show you how to make a screaming ice cream.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for
Ice cream!
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. And follow us on Instagram at Songbird Lemonade. Till next time.